Uyu ni umwe wa aciari a Nakiana aria mitangiko yao yambiriirie kiumia kihituku kurumirira kurekererio kwa riboti ya ceceni ya BBC ya Blood Parliament. Thutha wa kunyitwo na kurekererio muthenya wa Juma kiumia kihituku, umuthi Nicholas Wabogo, Brian Adagala, Macdenver Karufue na Chris Wamae ni moririo mekinyie wabici-ini cia DCIA ni undu wa uthuthuria makiria.
His phone is off. You cannot call him. You don't know why. You don't know what he has done. And these are our children. We know them as our innocent children.
The DCI summoned them to come to the headquarters yesterday. So we came with them, we represented them. However, the police refused to give them their items back. And this is against the law. There's no order. Once they were released, they were supposed to be given their phones back and their laptops back and their CPUs that they use for work.
Thutha wa kuhugwo mahuri kwa ihinda, anaya ni macokire kurekererio, na ona gukiri uguo indo ciao aria ni hamwe na laptops na kamera itinarekererio, undu uria kiama kia LSK gikumithitio.
And we have heard emphatically from the DCI that there are no summons that are prevailing in terms of the four individuals. Furthermore, there is no warrant of arrest that has been preferred against any of the four of them. So they are not even persons of interest at this stage. They are not suspects, and we would like them to essentially receive back their properties.
Ona gutuika ceceni ya BBC ni yarekereirie ndumiriri na kuga anake aya matie kuruhanire na njira o yothe uthondeki-ini wa riboti ya Blood Parliament, kiuria riu ari gitumi kiao kurio mekinye wabici-ini ya DCI na indo ciao guthie na mbere kuhingiririo.
We are asking the director, to look at what is causing the families and to release those boys, and also to release the laptops that they use to do their work.
Constitution allows for creative expression, and therefore what we want to say is that allow them to have their property back so that they can continue to earn.
Anake aya maikitio ngono magikuruhanio na ucabithia wa ndeto citari na uma.